Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain the difference between velocity and speed. I know this is a topic that a lot of students have trouble with, especially if they're taking physics for the first time, so let's clear up the confusion. Velocity is a vector quantity, which means it has both direction and magnitude. On the other hand, speed is just a scalar quantity, which means it has only magnitude. For example, a car may have a speed of 50 miles per hour, but its velocity would be 50 miles per hour to the west. If that's still confusing to you, here's an even better explanation. Suppose there's a two-way street that goes from north to south. In physics, we usually establish a positive and negative direction, so let's make north positive and south negative. Now imagine there's a car traveling along this road, and let's say it's going south at a speed of 50 miles per hour. This is what it would show on the car's speedometer. However, because the car's traveling in the negative south direction, its velocity would be negative 50 miles per hour. Physicists will usually use velocity instead of speed for this exact reason. You could be traveling 50 miles per hour in the positive north direction or the negative south direction, and your speed would say the same thing. Only the velocity would tell you that you're going in the opposite direction, and in physics, that's a very important thing to know. Now for the extra credit session. If you drive a car, you may have noticed that your car's speedometer only tells you speed and not velocity. Obviously, that's why it's called a speedometer. But if you were driving in reverse, your speed would still be positive, and the needle on the speedometer would go up. But imagine if your car could tell you velocity. What would that look like? If your car had a velocimeter instead of a speedometer, it would actually be able to tell you that you're going in the negative direction when you're driving in reverse. And obviously, this would be different from your speedometer telling you that you're going in the same way as you were when you were driving in reverse. So, in a nutshell, this is the difference between velocity and speed. That's all for this video. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.